Welcome KATUDAY.
Kumusta kayong lahat?
Welcome to our channel, TwoHungry. Guys, dito ako sa bukhirin Bukhirin namin, hindi actually sa akin. Doon yung sa amin. So, ito yan yung ano ng pinsan ko. Yung may tanim daw siyang aray. Sitaw. Yun, punta daw ako kuha. Ayaw kong bayaran. Sabi niya for free. Pero kuha lang ako konti, nakakahiya. So, dito ako, malapit lang siya sa ilog. Ay, naku, saan kaya? Gilaod ko na. Laod. Ito hindi sa kanya. Sabi niya doon sa laod daw. Sa may makina. Laod di makina. So, dito. Hindi nga banda. Laod di makina. Ay, ito. Ito siya. Ito laod. Ito, yan na lang. Doon na lang ako kukuha. Ay, konti lang yung kukuha. Ito, kukuha lang ako. Marami siyang bunga. Malapit sa bundok, sa ilog. Yan. Yan nagaan siya. Yan, sitaw pa yan. Pauwi na kami. Pauwi na. Yan. Yan, may bahay pa doon. Bundok. Douglas. Yan. Pauwi na. Pauwi na kami. Sige. Yan. Ay, malayo pa yung bahay namin. Ganito sa probinsya. Madaming damo. Kumais. Oh.
So guys, see now some vegetables we harvested. I'm not sure all the vegetables name, so I will show you clearly also. But see now, Rosie is doing some vegetables.
Yes. I just reached home. Remember, I go in the farm.
You lift up that one?
Yes. So, I'm gonna show you guys the
That is the
vegetable.
vegetable.
Different kind of vegetable.
I will show you clearly.
Yes. First,
okay.
I'm gonna show you the front.
Okay, see.
Okay. Let them show clearly.
Okay.
No. The Tagalog one actually this is sitaw, but for us, the Ilocano, this is utong na todo. We call this one. And I just take from my cousin's garden, this one. They don't want me to pay for it, so for free, they gave to me. This is my cousin, the name is Inshong. And this one, Luko, I buy it for 50. But this one actually still have there, so I just take 2 pieces only.
Lift up, hold the basket and show one by one.
And then, next is the fresh marunggay leaves. So, this one I'll take. And I don't know with this one. Some people get scared to eat this one. They say maybe they will feel dizzy or what. So, but for us, we already eat how many times already, right? So, I don't know what's this. What's this in Tamil? You can eat also there in India, right?
But not like this much big. Small one. Beans, butter
Ito
beans.
nga to do. Dila kay nga pabayda ni Mang Insyong. And then this one, I already I think the one who already watched. Okay, the person haven't watched it. They never see like this. So the one who haven't subscribed yet our channel, please subscribe now. In order you can see more. This is not every day we upload it. We upload, but maybe every day or what.
Okay.
Please subscribe. You click the subscribe and then click the
Bell button.
in order you can see all the next videos that we will upload. So this is the one, and then because this one is already old, so we need to take out this thing. Oh, a little bit.
Skin.
Yeah, you need to take out this one. This one in order because inside is soft and it's easy to cook. This one is very nice. Me and my husband is an Indian, and then my mother wants to eat this one. We all wants to eat this one. And next is eggplant. Sorry, this is from my garden, my own plant. This one. Actually, this one it's easy to cook. This kind of eggplant. Yus-kuyasan na tarong. This one. And some of my pumpkin flowers already.
Okay.
This one. So, and then next is KATUDAY from my plant also. And KATUDAY. Actually, I don't know if this one is already old, but still okay. When you press and
yes, it is old. By seeing itself, you can't feel.
No, see, maybe. Oh, but this one is still young. Oh, see. You bit lower, please. And then, this is the only one. Naman yung pallang ko na batit. Pallang. Only this one. Some still have flowers, so I think already this one, I can put this one. And hey, Douglas, you want to eat haven't cooked yet. Actually, Douglas is also like vegetable. So, this is the talbos ng sitaw. For this, I do a little bit. And then the talbos ng pumpkin or the squash. This one also. And the rest, that's all. So, I need to clean up first. Actually, this one I'm gonna cook everything. Plus, I will put some 2 fish or 3 fish of tilapia. Then, make it dinengdang. I'll show you guys later what the result for this one. Okay, me and my husband will show you later. Stay tuned. This one, I already put everything. Not everything. The one is very hard to cook yet. It's very hard to cook. So, I put the seed of the snake beans. And the snake beans itself, and never see. So this one I never take out this one throw, and the taro, it's very hard to cook, and I can't see already the big one. What is it? The one in I can't see already. The big one. Oh, it's dropped. So actually, it's a little bit only. Anyways, it need to boil first. Okay? So once everything is cooked, I'll show you. Tapos na. Oh, naano muna yung amoy ng bagoong. Bigyan ko ng bagoong.
I will show you now the dish has been prepared already. Exactly what it is. See here. This is seem like something like that only. But see the soup, and this is fried fish. Okay, wait, I will show you this one. No. Leave it. You focus. Okay. See the fried fish. We fry the fish and put in this one, and this is the one, the beans, everything. Same like this one is utong, right? It is in Tamil they used to call tattapayir. They used to call, and this beans, see, and eggplant, And also the potato, the one
It's not
taro.
potato.
Taro, this one, okay? So this one
Loco.
Loco.
Loco. We call it in Ilocano loco.
Loco. Okay. And the leaves are, it's a muringai leaf. Okay. And soup we mix some fish sauce also. First I will taste. Wait. Very hot. I'll taste the soup first. The soup is very tasty. A little bit salty only, not too much salty, because all the ingredients I can feel the fresh vegetables. Rather than the fish, my tongue is rolling. Rather than the fish, the vegetable. This kind of thing only I can feel in the soup. Not that much fish taste.
You can
I
use
don't
your
feel.
hand if you want.
Hmm?
To take, you can use your hand.
It's okay. Little bit I will take.
Fresh chili from
Fresh chili. So this is our backyard garden. I forgot to tell you. See the okra, vendakai in Tamil.
You take also this.
Which one?
This thing.
Wait, I will take. Okay. See the fresh chili. How much? Everything is a fresh chili. Very spicy. This one. Nice. I like to eat. Okay. First I will eat without anything. I like this. This one a little bit sticky. See here. And this one I will take. The potato is starchy.
Taro.
Yeah, that
Loco.
Loco. It's like a starch. Too much.
Namas?
It is like what? Like I don't know how to express that one, but it is very nice. See, nicely cooked. And this one everything, and this one also some eggplant with this rice. Okay, this rice, and I will take one chili also. See. Very tasty. Nice when we eat with the rice. The spicy, the plant, the vegetable, everything is very nice. Nice to taste with the rice. I like it. Okay guys, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. The person who
Sorry.
the person who don't subscribe, please subscribe and also comment. If you have anything, please share in a comment also, and keep watching, keep sharing to your friends, and God bless everyone. Bye.